Hello everyone, in this video we will see the types of keywords based on various categories. So the first category we have is uh, based on intent, the second category is based on length, the third category is based on role, and the fourth category is based on target. So we will study one by one. So we will start with based on intent. So under based on intent, we have a informational keyword. So informational keywords are those keyword that provide some kind of information. It can be a what is digital marketing, what are the types of SEO, what are the types of search engine marketing, what are the types of Facebook ads, and it can be like how to conduct a keyword research for SEO and all. So these are the informational keyword. Now the second is navigational keyword. So navigational keywords indicate that searcher wants to find something. It can be online or in person. So basically it includes used car near me. It can be like second hand car near me. And that after this, the third type is commercial keyword. Commercial intent keyword shows that the searcher is heading in the direction of making a purchase. So basically it can be like best car lot Chicago. So it can be like best car for city driving. So these are the commercial keyword. Now the fourth is transactional keyword. Basically the difference between transactional and commercial keyword that is that the transactional keyword have a higher purchase intent as compared to commercial intent. So for example, some of the example of transactional keyword is buy a used car online. Okay, so basically that use term like buy, sale, offer. So these are the if these keyword are included in any keyword, so basically it indicates that they are the transactional keyword. Now the second category is based on length, under which we have a short tail keyword. So basically short tail keyword are generally a one word keyword, and but they have a very high search volume and they are very competitive. And after this we have a second is long tail keyword. This long tail keyword generally contain 4 to 5 words like best free SEO tool, best digital marketing agency in India, on page SEO technique. So they have a long tail keyword. The mid tail keyword basically contain more than one word like SEO tools, best free SEO tools. Best free SEO tool can be a long tail keyword, but you can see SEO tool can be a mid tail keyword, and it can be a Facebook ad tool. So these are the example of mid tail keyword. Now the third one is based on role. Based on role, under which we have a focus keyword. The focus keyword also known as primary keyword, and we generally try to include focus keyword in the URL structure, in the title, in the body section, and at least one time in the H1 of your content. The after this we have a secondary keyword. Secondary keyword is more closely related to a primary keyword, but such as subtopics. For example, if you are writing a blog on what is digital marketing, H1 can be a if your primary keyword is digital marketing, so you can target digital marketing in primary in H1. Now for example, types of digital marketing, so it can be a secondary keyword. So you can include the types of digital marketing in the subtopics. And after this we have a semantic keyword. So semantic keyword are those keyword that are closely related to each other. As you can see, we have just mentioned the example as local SEO and local marketing. So both are the showing the local category. So these are the example of semantic keyword. The last is based on target, under which we have a market specific keyword that shows a keyword related to a specific market, like sneakers. So it shows the sneakers market, sneaker shoes. It shows the sneakers market. After this we have a generic keyword that for example tennis shoes is a very generic keyword. It can be mobile phones are the generic keyword. And after this we have a branded keyword. So So branded keywords are those keywords that contain a brand name. For example, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra. So it can be a Flipkart Smart Buy shoes, Flipkart Smart Buy trimmer. So these are the example of branded keyword. The fourth is product related keyword. Product related keyword specify specify a brand product. For example, we have a brand Nike, okay, and under which we have a subcategory like running shoes, casual shoes. So running shoes shows the product related keyword because it shows a running shoes is a product. So product can be a like Nike Air Force One. And our fifth is customer defining keyword. Basically it shows the age bracket, gender, profession, or any other demographics characteristics. So it can be tennis shoes for men, tennis shoes for women, clothes for kids. So these are the customer defining keywords. It can be a shoes for underage 5. So these are the customer defining keyword. The last is a location specific keyword that shows the that points to a specific location. For example, it can be digital marketing agency in Delhi, digital marketing agency in Pune. So basically these are keywords are specifying the location. Okay. So this is all for now. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I will add the drive link for this PPT. You can easily download this PPT. You can also check my LinkedIn profile. I regularly update my content on my LinkedIn profile. And thanks for watching.